Here we go, beginning lesson 1 in unit 9. So we want to be able to classify and simplify polynomials. So we need to know that like terms have the same variables with the same degree on each variable. The degree of any term or monomial is the sum of the exponents of its variables. Now, if it's just one variable, then it's just the exponent on that variable would be the degree of a single term. So those are like terms because they both are x with a degree 1. These are like terms, are both y with a degree 1. 6 is its own like term. So combining like terms gives us that result. Now the degree of a polynomial is the degree of whichever term has the highest degree. In this case, there's two terms with degree 1, so this is a degree 1 polynomial. You don't add those terms, those degrees, it's just this is a degree 1, and that's a degree 1, so the highest degree on this polynomial is degree 1. And now that makes it linear. So degree, if it's x to the 0 or it's just a number, that would be degree 0 or a constant term. Linear is degree 1, quadratic is degree 2, cubic is degree 3, quartic 4, quintic is degree 5. After that we just say nth degree, like 7th degree, 10th degree, 20th degree polynomial. The number of terms in this case is 3, which makes it a trinomial. So since it's linear and it's got 3 terms, it's a linear trinomial. All right, so on the next one, we got to distribute just to that one set of parentheses the number in front of it. Now there's no number, but there's a minus sign, so it's like a -1 in front of it being distributed. Same deal for the second set of parentheses. Notice that -8 isn't getting any attention because it's not part of the parentheses. So we distribute that and distribute the next one. Now combining like terms. The highest degree term here, we're going to go, standard form is from highest degree to lowest degree. So I'm going to start with the highest degree term, make sure I include that negative sign with that, bad Larry. And then there's no other x squared, so I write that one next. There's 3 x terms, 2x plus 2x minus 2x, simplifies to just 2x. Combining all the numbers, 1 minus 1, or 1 minus 5 minus 1 minus 8, is -13. And that has highest degree of 3 because of the 3 in the exponent. So it's a degree 3, making it a cubic. It's 4 terms, so that's out of our range. So we just say, because a 1-termer is monomial, a 2-termer is binomial, and a 3-termer would be trinomial. It's 4, so 4 or more, we just say it's a polynomial in that many terms. So this is a cubic polynomial in 4 terms.